Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram notifications iPhone. This tutorial is very useful for you who wants to find a way to enable your Instagram notifications on your iPhone. Okay, for the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram notification via Instagram app and also via iPhone settings. Okay, for the first, let's just open Instagram app. After opening Instagram app, you can see there on the bottom right corner there is your profile picture. Just tap the profile picture. And then you can see there on the top right corner there is 3-line menu, and then just tap this. And you will find many menus here, and then just tap settings. And in the settings you will see notifications. Just tap these notifications. And in notification, make sure that pause all is turned off. And also you can manage each kind of notification like post, stories and comments, following and followers, messages and calls, live and video, and erasers and from Instagram. For example, let's just open post, stories and comments. You can see here you can manage like notifications, and also you can manage likes and comments on photos of you and another. And you can do this by yourself. And the most important thing is make sure that pause all is turned off. Okay, after managing Instagram notification from Instagram app, let's just open iPhone settings. Just open settings. Here you can see there is notifications menu. Just tap this and just scroll down and find Instagram. Here Instagram, you can see there are allow notifications. If you want to enable Instagram notifications, just allow notifications like this. And you can also manage the alert notifications in lock screen, in notification center, and banners. You can choose the banner style, and also you can manage the sound and pitch of notifications. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in enabling Instagram notifications on your iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to Fauhow channel and make sure that you turn on notification by clicking bell icon so you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.